The Nissan Maxima EV is set to redefine the electric luxury sedan segment, blending premium design, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance. As Nissan transitions toward an all-electric future, the Maxima EV aims to deliver zero-emission driving without compromising on the performance and luxury that made the Maxima name legendary. This next-generation Maxima is designed to take on Tesla, Lucid, and BMW i4, offering an exciting alternative for EV enthusiasts who crave both power and elegance. Exterior, a bold and aerodynamic evolution. The Nissan Maxima EV inherits the sleek and sporty DNA of its predecessors while embracing a futuristic EV aesthetic. Streamlined, aerodynamic body with a low drag coefficient. New V-Motion-inspired front end with an illuminated Nissan logo. Ultra-thin LED headlights with intelligent adaptive beam technology. Sculpted side profile with hidden door handles for a seamless look. Gloss black roof for a sporty, floating roof effect. 20-inch aero-optimized alloy wheels for improved efficiency. Full-width LED light bar at the rear for a signature look. The Maxima EV's design is a perfect blend of sportiness and elegance, ensuring it stands out in the growing EV market. Interior, high-tech, premium, and spacious. Inside, the Maxima EV delivers a high-end experience with premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and a driver-centric cockpit. Minimalist dashboard with a 12.3-inch curved digital display. 15-inch central touchscreen with Nissan's latest EV interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and over-the-air updates. Premium leather and Alcantara upholstery with contrast stitching. Ambient LED lighting with customizable color options. Panoramic glass roof for an airy, open feel. Advanced soundproofing for a whisper-quiet cabin experience. The Maxima EV isn't just about comfort, it's about creating a luxurious and connected driving environment. Performance, electrifying power and thrill. Nissan is expected to equip the Maxima EV with a powerful dual-motor setup, making it fast, responsive, and fun to drive. Dual-motor all-wheel drive system with instant torque delivery. Expected 0 to 100 km/h time, around 4.0 seconds. Estimated power output, 400 plus HP and 600 Nm torque. 100 kWh battery pack for a range of over 500 km. Ultra-fast charging, 10–80% in under 30 minutes. Regenerative braking with one-pedal driving mode. Active air suspension for a smooth and dynamic ride. With instant acceleration and a whisper-quiet drive, the Maxima EV is built for those who love the thrill of driving without the emissions. Technology and safety, Nissan's smartest sedan ever. The Maxima EV is packed with state-of-the-art driver assist features and a fully connected digital ecosystem. Nissan ProPilot 2.0 hands-free highway driving. 360-degree camera system for seamless parking. Adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Facial recognition and biometric driver profiles. Vehicle-to-grid V2G technology, use your car as a power source. Smart keyless entry and AI-based voice assistant. Emergency autonomous braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection. With intelligent safety tech, the Maxima EV ensures a secure and stress-free driving experience. Why the Nissan Maxima EV is a game-changer. A bold, futuristic design that redefines Nissan's premium sedan lineup. Impressive range and performance, competing with top-tier EV sedans. A tech-loaded, ultra-modern interior built for luxury and connectivity. Sustainable and eco-friendly, with zero emissions and smart charging. Designed for the modern driver who demands both power and practicality. The Nissan Maxima EV is more than just an electric car, it's the future of Nissan's luxury performance lineup. With its bold design, exhilarating speed, and cutting-edge tech, it's set to redefine what an electric sedan should be. Tell me which car is next.